Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is May 9th, 2026. We've got a Bobcat T95, or 595 rather. This unit's got a little over 1,700 hours. It's currently on a job site. But as you can see here, we're gonna do a quick walk around video and then quick operations video. But it's got an 80-inch bucket on it, manual quick coupler. The hydraulics seem to be pretty clean. No major leaks or anything. VIN number on this one ends in 4517, 2019 model. 1451 is a lot number. Come inside and show you the hours. 1785 on the hours. It has ISO and H controls. Oh, I can't remember the name of them. Hand foot control as well. No active codes of any sort. Again, 1785 on the hours. Non-high flow. Does have lights. Without further ado, guys, I'm gonna give you a quick little operations video here and show you how this unit works. All right, there you have it, guys. Lot number 1451, this Bobcat T595. As you can see, it ran and worked as it was supposed to. All the controls seemed to work. When I was in there, feeling everything, all the pins seemed to be pretty tight. It's got the rear weights on it. That's an added plus. Motor runs well, guys. Open ROPS. If you've got any questions about it, give us a call. It's located over here in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma at the moment. So that's where it's currently located. If you got any other questions, or want to know more about it, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you.